Can toothpaste really remove scratches from a windshield?
Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll be delving into a popular DIY hack that's been circling around, using toothpaste to remove scratches from a windshield. Can it really work? Let's find out.
What's the idea behind toothpaste for scratches?
To start off, let's understand why toothpaste is thought to be an effective scratch remover. Toothpaste, especially the white, non-gel type, contains mild abrasives. These abrasives are what make your teeth clean by scrubbing away the plaque. The theory behind using toothpaste for scratches is that the same abrasives that clean your teeth can polish your windshield and remove minor scratches.
Does toothpaste really work on windshield scratches?
Now, the main question, does it really work? The answer is, it depends. Toothpaste can sometimes reduce the appearance of minor scratches due to its mildly abrasive nature. However, for more severe scratches, ones you can feel with your fingernail, toothpaste will likely not have the desired effect. Professional repair or even windshield replacement might be required in these cases.
How can you use toothpaste to remove scratches?
If you have a minor scratch and want to try the toothpaste method, here's how you can do it. 1. Clean the windshield thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Apply a dollop of white, non-gel toothpaste onto a damp, soft cloth. 3. Rub the toothpaste over the scratch in a circular motion for about a minute. 4. Rinse off the toothpaste with water, then dry the area with a clean, dry cloth. 5. Evaluate the scratch. If it appears diminished, then success. If not, you may need to repeat the process or seek professional help. Remember, this method is a quick, temporary fix and not a long-term solution. Always consult with a professional for advice on serious windshield damage. In conclusion, toothpaste might help with minor windshield scratches due to its mild abrasiveness. However, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution for all types of scratches and damage. It's always best to consult with a professional if you're unsure or if the damage seems serious. We hope you found this video informative. Stay safe on the roads.